Well, the clutch plates are out. There's the steel plates. I've given them a bit of a wipe off and all that. Made sure they're all facing the right way. Apparently, it doesn't matter whether the sharp side he faces in or out, but as long as they all do the same. But some people say it gives you a smoother clutch, putting the sharp side facing towards the engine casing, not to the inside of the engine. There you go, mate. There's the old plates soaking in finest Silcaline 20W50. Do that tomorrow morning. I've put the what's that? That's the ATU advanced timing unit. I've put that in. That's my new one that I got. It's nice and clean. I've greased up all the pivot points. It works lovely. Yeah, so hey ho. I was talking about the back brake lever, but I think actually I've had a look at it and I'm actually not too sad with that, to be honest. I think once the spring goes on it, that'll push that forward a bit, and obviously I can't put the actual brake lever on itself until the casing's on. But that's all that lovely jubbly, ready to go. So yeah, happy days. And then we'll change this old exhaust tomorrow as well. Put my new one on and get some plastics on it. Yeah, get the wheels polished back up. Put the air filter on. It's all good to go, mate. Yeah, connect throttle. Yeah, I'll be good.